Right, in this tutorial, we're going to look at questions that involve sine, cosine, and area rule with variables. Okay, this is our first question. That given the diagram here, show that the length QR in the diagram alongside is QR is equal to x sine 2 theta minus sine alpha divided by sine alpha times sine beta. The best approach here will be to look at the triangle that has QR. We're going to create an equation that has the side QR and the common side. That will be our equation 1. And then we create equation 2 using the other triangle. Okay, now let's see. Let's start with triangle PQR in triangle PQR. QR over sine alpha, we can use the sine rule here. QR goes with sine alpha is equal to the common side, which is PR over sine beta. PR over sine beta. And then the next thing will be to make QR the subject of the formula. You multiply by sine alpha on both sides of the equation. So QR is equal to PR sine alpha over sine beta. Okay, so now this is our equation 1. We have created equation 1 using triangle PQR. Now let's look at triangle PSR. Triangle PSR. This is triangle PSR. We also want this common side to be part of the equation. The common side is PR. PR goes with angle S here. So we need to find angle S. How can we find angle S? If you check here, we're given that PS is equal to RS, meaning that this angle is also theta. So we can say angle PRS is equal to theta, since these are angles opposite equal sides. We can find angle S. Angle S is equal to 180 degrees minus theta, which becomes 180 degrees minus 2 theta. Right, what's the reason? Sum of angles in triangle. You can say PR over sine 180 degrees minus 2 theta is equal to, we have this side and this angle here is equal to x over sine theta. Okay, and then if we check here, we have 2 theta. We don't have 180 degrees minus 2 theta. So here we can use a reduction formula. This is in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, sine of an angle is positive. So let's use a reduction formula here. PR is equal to sine 2 theta is equal to x over sine theta. Right? And then we make PR the subject. If we make PR the subject, we get what? PR is equal to x sine 2 theta, multiplying by sine 2 theta on both sides, over sine theta. Right? And then this is our second equation. Now, if we check, we have PR here, and then we have PR also there. So we take this PR and then we put it here. Okay, so that's the approach. What you do, create an equation using the side that you're given, in this case QR, and the common side, that will be your first equation, and then create the second equation using the second triangle, right? And then you combine the two, then it becomes QR is equal to, where this PR we put x sine 2 theta over sine theta, right, times sine alpha over sine beta. Now we're almost there. It's just a matter of eliminating this sine theta and then introducing it also in the denominator there. How can we do that? We can use equivalent fractions. What you do to the denominator, you do to the numerator. So you can multiply the denominator by sine theta and multiply the numerator by sine theta. And then if you check the numerator here, sine theta divided by sine theta is 1. We remain with what? We remain with just QR is equal to x sine 2 theta times sine alpha over sine beta times sine theta.